Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be teaching you how to draw a giraffe. So the materials you will need is a permanent marker. You don't need to use a permanent marker. I am just using it so you can see it better, but you can use a pencil. A permanent marker, that's what I'm using. A brown crayon, a yellow crayon, and a peach crayon. So let's get started. So you're gonna get out your writing tool and we're gonna draw like the body of the giraffe. So I'm gonna draw that. Now we are going to draw like the mouth part of the giraffe, and that's gonna be like sort of up here. So we're gonna draw like this, except it's gonna be smaller. Now we're gonna add the neck. After you did that, we're gonna draw the head part. So just draw like sort of like a half oval. Just like how I did it right here. Now we're gonna add 2 dots. That's gonna be for the nose, and add a big, like that looks like a smiley face. So just draw like a smiley face. But these are the nostrils. So here are the eyes. Just draw 2 ovals and color them in. Add a few spots on the face. And now we're gonna draw the sort of like the antenna things of the giraffe. I don't know what they're called. So I'm just gonna take out my thin Sharpie. And draw sort of like mushrooms. After that, we're gonna draw the ears. So the ears are on the side, not on top. Draw 2 ears. And after that, we're gonna draw the tail of the giraffe. So take out your regular Sharpie or permanent marker or pencil and just draw like sort of like this shape. And now draw a upside down droplet of water. Now we're gonna draw the feet. So we're gonna just draw a super long rectangle. And we're gonna draw a line just like that. So it looks like the hooves of the giraffe. Now we're gonna draw a smaller one because this one's blocking the other one. And do the same with the other one. Now we'll do the same on the other side. And now that we're done with that, we're gonna start adding spots. So just draw circles anywhere you want. And make sure you draw spots on the body and the neck. Now we are on to coloring. So we're gonna start coloring the spots first. So take out your brown crayon and color in all the spots brown. After you are done with that, we are going to take out our peach and color the muzzle. Now that that is done, we're gonna take out our yellow crayon and color the rest of it yellow. So I am done coloring my giraffe, and this is how it should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!